Thank you for tuning in today. If you are deciding to build a pull release style pedal steel guitar, I have a few tips for you as far as setting up the E to F lever, C pedal, and your E to D sharp pull release lever. Release springs. I have one here for the E to D sharp lever, and I have one for my lever that lowers my second string and my ninth string, and it's got a pull rod or a spring rod that's hooked to the other side of one of the bell cranks on that shaft, and that's for the ones that lower 2 and 9. And then this spring is hooked, let's see, 2 over to here, and that's my E lever that lowers the E's to a D sharp. I put them on eye bolts as well so that I could adjust the tension. Okay, the E to F lever is a remote lever. It's got a pull rod hooked to the lever attachment, and it's a standalone lever. It's going over here to a slave that pulls. There's my 2 eye bolt bell cranks. It's going down to my pull fingers, and I got it set up so the longest throw on the 2 E lever pull levers is hooked to the lever that lowers the E's, and then the shorter, the holes that are the shorter distance from the top of the pull finger, I've reserved those holes for the F lever and the C pedal. Now the C pedal raises the 4th string to an F sharp, so I need the most clearance there to allow the E to F to return back to need those poles. The poles need the clearance so that when you release the E to D sharp, those fingers are free to go back to their position where they stop against the wood part of the body. I hope that all makes sense.